Previously on Florida Coast Detecting.
Right there's a penny. Looks like a shield. Looks like we got an old quarter.
Today, our story picks up at Jensen Beach after Hurricane Milton.
Hurricane Milton has its sights set for the west coast of Florida at Sarasota County, making landfall later today
The
as a
entire
Category
southern
3.
part of the Florida Peninsula is now under a tornado.
The National Guard is pre-staged to go to the hardest hit areas caused by the tornadoes from Hurricane
The outer bands
Milton.
of Hurricane Milton are now reaching the west coast of Florida and have with it
We now have
tornadic
confirmation
activity.
of tornadoes touching down in Jupiter, Hope Sound, Port Salerno, and Jensen
I'm
Beach.
currently in Port Salerno surveying some of the devastation caused by the tornadoes of Hurricane Milton. I'm looking at houses that have been completely destroyed and flattened, cars that have been flipped over and tossed into trees. I see people walking around and families that have lost their homes, trying to figure out what they need to be doing next as they await for Hurricane Milton to hit Florida. This is Amber Reese with WPTV Channel 5.
All right, we are back at Jensen Beach. It's after Hurricane Milton, the weekend after. Didn't get any hunting in last weekend because the hurricane got hit pretty hard, and it's super windy right now. The storm did a number on the beach. I don't even know if anyone can hear me. The wind is blowing very bad. But we got a huge cut. I'm hoping that there's going to be something in that cut waiting for us. I don't know if anyone came out last weekend, but I wasn't here. Hoping that there's something left, at least a quarter or a penny, something. So let's hit this beach and see what it's got for us. All right, let's get after it. We are only going to be hunting the cut. Not sure. Some kind of like a glue container. Yeah, it looks like we got another metal detectorist out here. How's it going? Doing all right? Did you get anything?
I saw the seaweed when I walked on the beach. I'm like, but I did find one silver ring, and I had to fight for it.
Oh, wow.
Down in the wave. The heavier, dense sand.
Right.
The shell layer. But I got one gold ring down at Stuart, and there was
wow.
like four other people out there detected, but I had to fight for that down in the waves. I found a silver bracelet this morning. That's the only reason why I stayed all day or all afternoon. And it sounded like junk, but it was down in between the break of waves, coming in.
Oh, well, that's hard to do when it's like that.
And I mean, it sounded like junk, but
know there's a wedding band out there too. Oh, I got psyched out on that one. There's the cut. It gets a lot smaller as you go down, but right here it's probably 4 feet. This is at its worst right here, 4 feet or so. All right, class. I just found this dime. Hopefully that is seeable. It is pretty tarnished. It was in the cut, probably 6 or 7 inches deep. So I'm thinking it's been there for quite a while. And it rang up as like 78, 80. And so I've got another one right here. Same numbers, somewhere in here. There we go. It's a high 70s. Hopefully this one's not quite as far down. Okay, and I didn't turn on the camera for the last one because I thought it was just going to be, nothing worthwhile. But ended up being pretty decent. And so far I see seaweed. And that was it, I believe. There we go. That's another crust. It'd help if I got my shovel away from the coil. It's another crusty dime. I'm doing better than I do on most trips out here. 20 cents. It's almost unheard of. That's been there a while. Quite a while. And here I thought Nate got them all. Well, we're almost done for the day. Not too bad. 2 dimes. Very curious to get those scrubbed up a little bit and see what the dates are. Get out of town. It's actually a pretty decent signal. 87. Seems like it's maybe 6 or so inches deep. Whatever it is, I got it. Alright, it's in the scoop. Anybody want to venture a guess of what it may be? I'm going for a gold doubloon. Ooh, this sand is stinky. There she be. it's a quarter, but I think there we go. Have to clean it up. It's not a gold doubloon, but it's probably the best that I'm ever going to get, or closest thing I'm ever going to get to a gold doubloon. Not too bad. Wonder how long that thing's been sitting there. I heard that. Where is it? It's psyching me out. Someone forgot their shoes swimming. God, this place is trashy.
Thank you for joining us today, folks. I do appreciate it, and I hope we've earned your subscription. I tell you what, that beach was pretty tore up from that hurricane. But next week, we are at Jupiter Dog Beach, and I can't wait. Hope to see some puppy dogs out there. That's gotta be wonderful. What day couldn't be better with little puppy dogs running around? So, until next time, my friends, y'all have a good one.